Hello students, in this video I am going to explain the answers of exercise questions of class 8 science chapter 1 crop production and management. First question. Select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. These words are given like float, water, crop and nutrients and preparation. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called. It is crop. The first step before growing crop is it is preparation of the soil. Damaged seed would float on the top of water. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water and nutrients from the soil are essential. This is fill in the blank. Now match items in column A with those in column B. This is Kharif crop, Rabi crop, chemical fertilizers and organic manure. You can say this is Kharif crop. This is like this E, paddy and maize. Rabi crop. This is wheat, gram and pea. Chemical fertilizers, this is urea and superphosphate. And organic manure, this is animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. Yeah. Now in this case, this one is given in extra to confuse you. Remember it. Okay. This is the correct way to write the answer. Don't write like this. Okay. Don't write like this. Write the answer in this way. Give two examples of each. Kharif crop. Many examples are there. You can select any two. Paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton. Rabi crop, wheat, gram, pea, mustard. Write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following, like preparation of soil. It is the first method to be followed before growing a crop. This method is usually employed for loosening the soil to allow the root to penetrate deep into it. The loosening of soil helps in the growth of several soil microbes, earthworms, etc., which enrich the soil with humus and other essential nutrients. Next one is sowing. It is the process of placing the seed in or on the soil for future growth. The seeds that are selected for growing should be of good quality. Sowing is usually done with the help of either a traditional tool or a seed drill. The traditional tool is shaped like a funnel. Nowadays, seed drill that make the use of tractors are used for sowing seeds. Weeding. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Weeds can be controlled using weedicides. Another method is tilling before sowing of crops also helps in removing weeds. The manual method of removing weeds is with the help of a khurpi. It involves regular uprooting or cutting of weeds close to the ground. Threshing. Threshing is the process of separating grains or seeds from chaff. It is done after harvesting the crop. It is usually carried out with the help of a machine known as combine. This machine is a combined harvester and a thresher. Okay. Explain how fertilizers are different from manure. This is fertilizer is man-made inorganic salt. Manure is natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residue. Fertilizer is prepared in factories. Manure can be prepared in fields. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Next, what is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. Irrigation. What is irrigation? This is the process by which water is supplied to crops at different intervals. Two methods of irrigation which help in conservation of water. Actually, these are the modern method of irrigation. This is sprinkler system and drip system. What happens in sprinkler system? This system is more useful on uneven land, having water supplies. Fewer water supplies. In this method, water is supplied using pipes to one or more central locations within the field. When water is allowed to flow under high pressure with the help of a pump, it gets sprinkled on the crops. Drip system. Water is delivered at or near the roots of plants drop by drop. This is the most efficient method of irrigation as there is no wastage of water at all. This method is important in areas where water availability is poor. Students, you can also draw the diagram of these systems. Okay. Next question. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Okay, actually, wheat is the crop of Rabi season. And if we sow in Kharif season, what happens? If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, that is from June to October, then the whole crop might get destroyed because of many factors such as lack of optimum temperature, adaptability, availability of pests, etc. Kharif season includes the rainy season. Clear? Kharif season, that is from June to October, this is a rainy season, which is not favorable for the growth of wheat crop. Therefore, wheat crop should not be sown during this season. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. If we plant continue, then what will happen on the field? Continuous plantation of crops in a field makes the soil poor in certain nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. Plants require nutrients for their proper growth and functioning. When a farmer continues to grow crops one after the other, then all nutrients available in the soil reduce and the crop yield decreases automatically. Next, what are weeds and how can we control them? Undesirable plants that grow along with the crop plants are known as weeds. Some important methods for controlling them are: weeds can be controlled by using weedicides. Tilling before sowing of crops also help in removing weeds. The manual method of removing weeds is with the help of a khurpi. It involves regular uprooting or cutting of weeds close to ground. Arrange the following boxes in proper order to make a flow chart of sugarcane crop production. First, C. This is given. We have to arrange in a proper order. First, C. Sending crop to sugar factory, irrigation, harvesting, sowing, preparation of soil, ploughing of the field, and manuring. Okay. Agriculture practices we have discussed. Now, in this case, first step should be preparation of soil. After that, ploughing the field. Then next sowing, then manuring, then irrigation, then harvesting, and last step is sending crop to sugar factory. Okay. Complete the following word puzzle with the help of clues given below. Down. Providing water to the crops. First number, providing water to the crops. This is first. It is starting from I. That's why I can say this is irrigation. This is the irrigation. 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 Okay. Second one is keeping crop grains for a longer time under proper conditions. Okay. This start from S. That's why we can say from S. This is storage. STORAGE, storage. A machine used for, fifth number, a certain plants of same kind grown on a large scale. That is fifth. You can say that is fifth one is this one. It starts from C. From C, this is crop, like this, CROP. Now across. Third number, a machine used for cutting the matured crop. It starts from H. And from H, that machine is harvester. Harvestor, harvester. Fourth, a rabi crop that is also one of the pulses, that is fourth will start from G. And from G, rabi crop, that is also the pulses, that is from G. This is gram, Gram. Last one is a process of separating chaff from grain. Okay, something is missing at this place, but a process of separating grains from chaff, and that process is start from W. That process is winnowing. Winnowing. Is it clear? I think all the answers of the questions are clear to you. Subscribe my channel for the next video. Thank you.